The DJI Mini series has consistently captured the hearts of drone enthusiasts worldwide. Known for its compact design, portability, and powerful performance, each release has advanced what drones can offer to both casual users and pros. As we gear up for the anticipated release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, excitement is palpable. Before we look ahead, let's quickly review why the DJI Mini series has become a household name in the drone market. Introduced to offer top-notch aerial capabilities in a lightweight, user-friendly package, these drones became popular for travel and everyday aerial photography. Each model has brought improvements in camera quality, flight stability, and user experience, catering to both new pilots and seasoned pros. The expectations for the Mini 5 Pro are high, with drone enthusiasts calling for key upgrades across the board for the DJI Mini 5 Pro to stand out. Extending flight time to at least 40 minutes per charge would be a game-changer. This improvement would allow users more time in the air, perfect for extended shooting sessions without interruption. Camera technology is one of the top priorities for DJI Mini 5 Pro users. A larger sensor, like the rumored 1-inch sensor, would drastically improve low-light performance and image quality. Safety features are always a big draw. With the rise of automated flight paths and object tracking, users hope to see the Mini 5 Pro equipped with superior obstacle avoidance technology, reducing collision risk while tracking dynamic subjects. A 1-inch sensor on the Mini 5 Pro would be a significant leap, allowing for higher quality images, especially in low-light conditions. Low-light performance has become a big deal as more users aim for cinematic footage that rivals high-end videography equipment. Alongside the sensor upgrade, users hope to see improved dynamic range and color accuracy, helping to capture beautiful images in various environments. Battery life is another area where the Mini 5 Pro is expected to excel. With the Mini 4 Pro, users could capture approximately 30 minutes per flight. However, enthusiasts are looking for a 40-minute or longer flight duration for the Mini 5 Pro. This enhancement would empower users to achieve more extensive coverage in a single flight, which is especially important for photographers, videographers, and surveyors. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to bring advanced collision avoidance features, helping users capture action shots with fewer concerns about collisions. The incorporation of 360-degree sensing could further protect the Mini 5 Pro from obstacles, ensuring safer flights in complex environments. Expanded internal storage would be a welcome addition, too, with 8 GB or more, cutting down on the frequent need for external storage swaps. As the Mini 5 Pro's release date approaches, expectations continue to rise. DJI has a unique opportunity to reaffirm its position as a market leader, provided the company can meet the demands of a more tech-savvy user base. The potential impact on the market is immense, with other companies likely to respond by introducing competitive models. As we eagerly await the Mini 5 Pro's launch, one thing is clear: DJI is poised to reshape the landscape for small drones once again. By pushing the boundaries of what a compact drone can achieve, DJI is not only addressing the current demands of users, but also setting trends that competitors will follow. So, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.